If your backpack gets dirty, many surface stains and dust can be brushed off easily without having to apply water or cleaning products. You might need to do some spot cleaning with a rag and gentle soap in the bathtub. To preserve the longevity of the fabrics, coatings, zippers, and buckles, we do not advise you to put your bag in the washing machine. However, we have had good success with washing individual parts, like the bottom cover, in a delicates bag in a gentle, cold water cycle in the washing machine. For major cleaning, we suggest rinsing off any major dirt in the shower or soak it in the bathtub. Use the soft side of a sponge, a brush or a toothbrush, and a gentle soap if necessary. For persistent stains, we recommend using WAYKS Tent and Gear Solar Wash Cleaner. Remove the modular parts and clean and dry them separately. Hang the backpack upside down in a well-ventilated area and unzip all the zippers. If after several washes your bag becomes less water repellent, we recommend applying WAYKS Tent and Gear Solar Proof to renew the coating. Thanks for helping your bag have as long a life as possible.